welcome back to Shella Swag Gang. Sorry I wasn't able to post the day before yesterday, but your girl was not feeling well. Your girl is still healing, as you already know, dealing with a whole bunch of family issues and So, to make it up to you guys, today we're going to be making fried Oreos. It's a really simple recipe and everybody should try it, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna taste good. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, and I cannot wait to see y'all after this.
Nobody's excluded. Just being honest with you. Look. Dress right, dress to my haters. I address all of my issues. Never been a punk, I've been the one to give out tissues. I issue, but don't have any wish you the best of luck. The last will be first, so I'm cool with the back of the bus. Trust, fall, back game is vicious. I invested most of my time at the sink doing the dishes. Y'all are sickening. Told me that y'all were fishing, but really y'all made the fishes. Fishers are men, the ones who go out and they fight the tension. Y'all just flow with it. Y'all just flow different. Even Satan follow Jesus like same mission. Y'all some Judases, scratch St. Peters, cause y'all swore down that you would never deny Jesus. I look at your lifestyle, then at your music. Isosceles triangle not congruent. I do this, trying to start a movement. So if you ever kill me off, it's a new sin. To be honest, to be honest. This is true, but y'all really want it. This is true, but y'all really want it. To be honest, to be honest. This is true, but y'all really want it. This is true, but y'all really want it.
What you would need for this is some Oreos, of course. The regular one, unless you want to do like the double stuffed or whatever, whichever one you want. You need a spoon, a spatula. You need some oil. Today we're going to be using vegetable oil. We need this. I'll put some paper towels in here because this is where we're going to put the fried Oreos in. You need a skillet, of course. You need some pancake mix. Today we're going to be using Hungry Jack. Normally people use Aunt Jemima, but this is what we had in the pantry, so this is what we're using. And you need water, of course, but that's all you really need for the recipe. So let's continue. Just put some oil in the pan, and we're gonna cut the stove on 6. We got the pancake mix ready. Yeah. Oil is heating up. We are gonna start putting Oreos. If I can get it open. There we go. Oreos inside of the pancake mix. Then you just cover it like that. Make sure you have it on there. And that way you just scoop it up and put it in your thing. Let it fry. We waiting on the oil to get hot though, so yeah. Now that the oil is ready, we can put the Oreos in. Let's go. This one in. Wait for the last drip. One more drip. Okay. Put it right in. I don't know why it decided to flip on me, but it is what it is. You leave it on there for probably 5 to 10 seconds. And then you flip it over. And that's how you make it. Okay? Okay. It should be a crispy brown color. There we go. It looks like a pancake. Look at it. It's pretty. And yeah, you just do that with the rest of them, and I'm gonna show y'all the end result. So yeah, see you after this.
1 hour later.
Alright, you guys, this is the finished results. Don't that look good? I'm gonna show y'all what it look inside in a few minutes because I gotta wait for them to cool down. And yeah. Alright, you guys, we are finished. We let it cool down, and I pulled one right here so we can try it, and I'll show you guys what it look like on the inside. Let's go. All right, crunchy and moist. Look at that. Look at that. Yummy. Definitely gotta make some more of these, but yeah. Pretty good. Y'all should make some. Until next time, bye.
See the chain as it hang. Reppin' Shella Swa gang. I do what I want. I'm my own boss. I do what I want. I'm my own boss. I'm my own